Now we're going to show you how to manage your pages and organize your menu bar. So let's click on the Manage Pages icon in the dashboard. And from here we can add, delete, rearrange, and organize all your pages and links. Here we have a list of your current pages. But let's start with adding a new page to your website. We just click the Add New Page button and type in the name of our page. So let's type Services. Add New Page, and there it is. And this will be the name of the button that links to that page. Let's add a few more. Let's do Slideshow. Add New Page, and there it is. Let's do a few more, and I'm just going to skip ahead in the video to save time. Okay, now these are actually web pages on your site, but now we're going to add an external link that goes to another website. So we'll click here. Let's name the button and add the link. Add external link. Now we have a button on our menu bar that links to another website rather than a page on our website. And we can actually see the link next to the button, so we always know it's an external link. Let's go ahead and add a drop-down menu. Now a drop-down menu is a button that doesn't actually take the user anywhere. Its only purpose is to be a placeholder for a drop-down menu. So we'll call this one Media. And as you can see, it has a down arrow, so you know it's a drop-down menu button. Now let's start rearranging our menu bar for proper site navigation. Now to move a button, all you have to do is click and drag it by the icon to wherever you want it and let it go. And we can rearrange them any way we want. Now to add buttons to our drop-down menu, we simply drag it to the right a little bit and let it go. And it becomes part of this drop-down menu. Let's go ahead and put another one in there. We can even do second-level drop-down menus. But first, let's save changes. Now we'll create another drop-down menu. We'll call this one Drop-Down 2. And we can go ahead and drag it underneath this drop-down menu. And then add buttons under this one. So let me show you what this looks like. But first, we'll save changes. And then we click Show Changes to reload the page, so our new navigation shows up in the menu bar. And here we see new buttons and the drop-down menu, and the second level drop-down menu. Now if we click any of these buttons, they will take us to those pages, which of course are just blank at this point. And if we click on the My Link button, it takes us to the other website we linked to. And it will always open that other website in a new window or tab, so that when the user closes that window or tab, our website is still there. So let's go back to the Page Manager. We can also add anchors, but that's a special feature that we will cover in the Scrolling Websites video. Now on the right hand side we have some more options. We can click the Edit button to jump directly to that page for editing. We can also hide our pages. This doesn't delete the page, it simply removes it from the menu bar so nobody can get to it or even knows that it exists. And if we click it, we see that that button is grayed out. That's how you know which ones are hidden. And if we click it again, it unhides it. This is good for pages that might only be halfway finished or private pages that you only want certain people to see. If a page is hidden, you can still send people to it by giving them a direct link to that page. Otherwise, nobody even knows it's there. We can even go ahead and delete one of the pages. And once you delete this page, it's gone for good, and you can never get it back unless you recreate it from scratch. So make sure that you absolutely don't need that page anymore before deleting it. And when we delete a page, it automatically saves all of our current changes. Now we can also duplicate a page. This creates an exact copy of that page. So if we have a particular page with a certain layout, and we want to create another page with the same layout, we can duplicate rather than trying to manually recreate the layout all over again. This can be a real time saver. So let's click Duplicate Page. Type in the name of our new page. And there it is. Now let me show you a couple more things. If we click on the name of a button, we can actually change the name of it right there. And if we click on a link, we can change where it goes. And last but not least, there is one page that you can never delete, the home page. Now you can edit this page, you can change the name of this page, you can move it around the menu bar, and you can even hide it from the menu bar. But this will always be your landing page. When somebody comes to your website, this is the default page that automatically loads first, so it cannot be deleted. Otherwise, the user would see a blank page when they first pull up your website. And it's always the page that has the number 1 as its ID. Also, keep in mind, anytime you get lost or forget how to do something, you can always click the question mark button in the upper left corner of any window and it will automatically play the how-to video for that particular feature. So that's it for managing your pages and menu bar.